What is going on, guys? It is time for a weekly market analysis. This is the week of October 12th. October 12th, 2025. If you guys traded on Friday, you will see that the market absolutely tanked. Just take a look at the markets. NASDAQ US 30, the entire stock market, I think $1.7 trillion was wiped from the stock market. It was an insane day. If you did not trade that day, a lot of people, let's just say, a lot of people's accounts were either blown or people made a lot of money. It was one or the other. There was no in between. There was no I made some money. Your account was either blown or you made a lot of money. But nonetheless, we're going to continue to trade. Going to continue to find setups, regardless if we're selling, regardless if we're buying, all-time highs, all-time lows. We're still in the business to make money. So let's start with the US 30. I'm going to go down this entire list. This might be somewhat of a longer video, a longer weekly analysis, but I have to get through it. I have to make sure that you guys are prepared, make sure I'm prepared, most importantly, for the week ahead, because it's going to be a very interesting week, especially after a huge dump like that. We don't know what to expect in the markets, but what we can do is stay patient and wait for the setups to come. That's one thing we can always guarantee, that we stay patient. That's one thing we can control. Can't control what markets do, but we can control how much money we risk. So let's start with US 30 right now. US 30, of course, I am looking for sales in the moment. If you're looking for anything else, um, so be it. I'm not gonna knock anyone who's looking for buys. Everyone's strategy is different, but I'm looking for sales. Me personally, I'm just waiting for more structure to form. I can't sell anything right now because we are at the bottom. I'm waiting for some kind of pullback, right, into maybe an imbalance, and then we can sell. At some point during the week, market structure might shift bullish, and I'll be looking for buys. It's just a matter of what's going on right now. Right now, I'm looking for sales, and that's just it. Throughout the week, my buys may change, but for now, I'm looking for sales. Same thing with Nasdaq. Not much to look at. Looking for sales. What's next? SPX, the same thing. I will be looking for sales. Gold. Right now, I'm looking for buys on gold. Or actually, my bias is not set on gold because I don't like how this high looks. I don't like how this high looks. I really want to go for sales on gold, but I don't like how this high looks. What I'm really targeting is this low right here. But again, you can see I have a question mark right here because I don't really count that as a high. Me personally, for my strategy and the way I look at market structure, I don't see that as a high. So I'm waiting for more structure on gold before I even say anything. But if I'm going to lean towards a bias, it's definitely going to be sales. Uh, Regardless if gold is seen as a safe haven when the market crashes, I'm looking for sales right now. That's what structure is telling me for the most part. Silver, I'm looking for buys. I just need silver to tap into some kind of imbalance down below. Give me a setup, and we'll take price to the upside. Silver actually hit all-time highs as well this week. So that's something a lot of people have been talking about. Gold hit all-time highs, but at the same time, silver hit all-time highs as well, which is very interesting. That people talk about gold a lot, but not silver. U.S. oil or oil. I'm looking for sales on oil as well. I just need some kind of pullback before I sell oil. So if I were to look at the structure on silver, silver threw a nice setup on Friday or Thursday night around Asian session. There was a absolutely beautiful setup that ran like, let me go back actually and show you. I did not take it because I was taking NZD but this setup was absolutely crazy. If I held still, which I never do, but hypothetically speaking, this would have gone for a 1 to 71. Absolutely crazy. But silver, definitely looking for sales on silver. Like I said, I just need some kind of pullback. I need structure to give me structure to form a little bit, and I will be looking for more sales. At again, my bias could change at any time. It's just a matter of what I'm looking for right now. Right now, I'm looking for sales. Euro USD. Right now, this is manipulation for me, and I will be looking for shorts to the downside, down to this low right here. So shorts on Euro USD, NZD USD. I see shorts as well. Just need a pullback. So I'll be waiting for something like this on NZD USD. Come back down. AU, same thing, looking for shorts. And I don't do pair correlation. If one pair, even if it's a USD XXS USD pair, if it's AUD USD and it's NZD USD, if they tell me something different, I will trade them differently. If one is telling me buys and one is telling me sells, I will treat them accordingly. I don't do pair correlation. Oh, since they're both USD pairs, if one is selling, the other one has to sell. No, I don't do any pair correlations. Whatever I see is what I see. If I lose a trade, I lose a trade. If I win, I win. That's just what I see. GU, I need a little bit more structure to form on GU, but it looks like it's buying. Looks like we're pushing up, but again, I need more structure to form on GU. Can't say anything yet on GU. Just need more structure on that. This is Euro JPY. I'll definitely be looking for shorts. Just need a pullback. Well, that much pullback into some kind of imbalance on a lower time frame or 4-hour time frame, and then we will short Euro JPY. Ooh, GA. This was nasty. This was absolutely nasty. I need a pullback on GA before buying up even more. This was the result of, again, Trump tweeting. It's crazy how one person can affect the markets this much. AUD CAD, looking for shorts. Market structure high. Once again, look at this huge imbalance. Look at this. This imbalance is, say we measure from here. This is a 73 pip imbalance. The range of this imbalance is 73 pips, which is crazy. So I'll be looking for a price to pull back within here to sell AUD CAD. That's what I'll be looking for throughout the week. This is AUD JPY. Same thing, shorts. Waiting for some kind of imbalance to form. Monday might not be a trade. Actually, Monday I'm not going to trade because it's a bank holiday. But I was going to say Monday regardless. It's not looking like a trading day because everything just fell. Everything needs to correct itself first before we even start looking for trades because the markets are just down right now. Well, most of them are down right now. We need some kind of pullback before we even start looking for a trade. So definitely Monday is not a trading day because it's a bank holiday, but also it may not have been a trading day just because the market needs to correct itself before it gives some good moves. Because after a huge pump like that, the market needs to sort of fix itself, needs to breathe, so to speak. What is this? EuroCAD. Nothing on EuroCAD yet. I need more structure. GBP CAD. Need more structure on that as well. I don't see this as a break yet. This could still be manipulation. I just need more structure on GBP CAD. So I'm waiting for more structure to form. We'll see a little bit later. GCHF, still waiting for that as well. Not much I can say on that. This is a huge displacement to the downside. Most likely looking for sales, but I need to see the next couple 4-hour candles before I go ahead and make a decision on that. GNZD, looking for buys. As long as price comes back, taps into some kind of imbalance. Look at this huge imbalance. Definitely, I'll be looking for something like that. We have USD CAD. USD CAD, I need more structure. I'm not looking for anything just yet on USD CAD. I need more structure. Sales are looking pretty good though, but I need more structure on USD CAD. Was USD CHF. I was looking for buys, and then tweet came out. USD economy just sank. So I may be looking for sales. Again, I need more structure because the 4-hour candle might come back within this range and close, and then I'll be looking for buys if that's the case. But I need more structure on that. GJ, need more structure. USD JPY looks good for sales, but I need a pullback. I need a correction into some kind of imbalance before we continue to the downside. Look at that, NZD-JPY. This is the trade I took on Friday. This trade was absolutely great. I took this on my FTMO account, on my FTMO challenge on Friday, and this trade was absolutely nasty. This trade was nasty. I could have passed the challenge if I held, but I didn't know this was going to happen. I had no idea this was going to happen, so it is what it is. Definitely not mad about it. Do not care. Profits were made, but like I said, I could have passed the challenge if I held, but who expected that to happen? This is CAD JPY. Same thing as NJ, NZD, JPY. Looking for sales on this. Pull back. Pull back to the downside. What is this? Euro GBP. Euro GBP looks nice for buys. Definitely buys on Euro GBP. This is market structure low. Yeah, Euro GBP buys. This is actually a pretty clean trade. If it wasn't a bank holiday on Monday, I'd definitely be looking for. I'd definitely put a green ticker on this for trading Monday, because this looks like it's ready to buy. It'll be ready to buy early in the week. Euro AUD, not much. Need more structure. Just pure bullishness. And last one is Euro NZD. I need more structure on this. I want to see if this is manipulation or if this is displacement. I need more structure on this. Can't make a call yet on Euro NZD. But that was the analysis for the week, guys. You guys saw every single pair that I trade. I don't trade all of these pairs at the same time. I monitor all of them. But the best ones for the week, the best ones that I see for the week, like Euro GBP that I marked in green, I will have them in mind. I'll put them on my watch list, and I'll definitely keep them. I have about 4 or 5 at a time, maybe. I only take one trade at a time. I never hop into 2 different trades at the same time. Only take one trade at a time. But the ones that look the most ready, those are the ones that I save on my watch list and that I'm watching like a hawk. Those are the ones that I'm constantly watching, and I'm making sure I am paying attention to them. So even though you see all these pairs on my watch list, I'm not trading every single one of them at the same time. I'm just monitoring them. Whichever pairs look the best, those are the ones that I put into my MetaTrader watch list. And whichever setup comes first, whichever looks the best, that's the one I take. So hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. This is the week, once again, of 10/12, October 12th, 2025. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And let's kill this week, guys. Let's kill it.